Yeah, Birmingham, Alabama with the motherfucking biggest. The biggest. I ain't never seen these bitches up a dub on my mama.
Boy, them bitches coming deep, boy.
Police say they're working on street racing in the city. They've noticed a problem regarding this since February. At last check, they've claimed to have made 17 arrests and given out more than 700 citations.
Oh, that's Brando, you know they glossy like soprano. That challenger camo be dripping the fits in the shoes. The ladies don't wait in no line for no kick. See the plug, they pay you with that paper, that's true. Money stacked all to the roof. Car way too fast, that new coupe big over.
What's going on, y'all, man? It's your boy, oh, that's Brando, sitting in the SUV. Back again with
in that motherfucker. Hey, look. Hey, look. If you're not fucking with the channel, you shot. What am my mother? We outside.
Hey, here we stand, bro. We outside, Alabama, Birmingham, back in the make sure y'all tap in, subscribe to the channel. As you see what's going on, man, there's a whole lot of recklessness going on, man. So go ahead and like this video, go ahead and subscribe. I'm gonna go ahead and get out this footage. What's going on? And I'm gonna tap in, yes sir. Yo, these niggas out here.
Oh, man. My first mistake, I had a baby by a ratchet hoe. I should've killed the P and fucked the ones and hit the dough. But then I fucked her, I got trapped up by a white hoe. Oh, stupid bitch, she was crazy, so I had to go. On my future Hendrix shit, I got hella ops. The hoe, she swallow all my kids like she do adopt. They like, Poppy, why you slutting out these bad bitches? I don't know, I don't love them, I just love my riches. I treat my op like his grandma hit him with the swishes. Face shot only clothes cast that he gon' need some stitches. I been crippin' 16 years, I'm a big homie. I go to war with anybody like that nigga Tony. Sit like double O, we having real clientele. Call a bad flipper when it's time to move a bell. OGGC, he the muscle, he like hair real. Harry Potter with the stick, but I ain't casting spells. I'm ballin' like LeBron when he played for the Heat. Monopoly money, green and blue and pink is that neat. Why you loving on her when she see me, she's a freak. I'm like long way on the drug, bitch, I sneak and geek. Designer on my body, I drill just like a water leak. You dissing on my guys, I pull up like that chopper speak. I'm bipolar, I got two sides like the nut of a sus. Don't face y'all rearrange your head like a hairdresser. The way I put that shit on, nigga, I'm a trendsetter. Don't call your host to blow my phone up cause I fuck a bird.
Yeah, nigga, know what I'm saying? I thought this shit was over with. Crazy, baby mama trippin', I just pulled a 4S, go keep sippin'. Alexander wins on my feet, ho, thought I walked in on chick. I ain't worried about these bitches, I'm stacking and getting this shit so dick good when she on rent. Having too much money, got too many bitches, got too many ops, had to put on the switch. The loan came in, I got it, I get it. The boss came in, I'm gone for his 6, sell like pop out with the Glock with the 50. OGG sight, that ready to get it. Loco, Drake, folk, got crooks in the city. Two twin chopsticks, got me back on the vessel. I'm fucking this stripper and splashing the sauce. When she sucked it, make her eat up the chemical. This no cap, not sending subliminal. I'm fucking your bitch like a jailbird criminal. 392 had to switch the interior. Diamonds from Africa, cut from Nigeria. D.O. be lying, think the hoe from Liberia. Drill cost too much, you couldn't buy the material. Puffing those up, milk, cereal. Crazy, man.
Hey. Let's do it.
Boy, them bitches coming deep, boy.
Let's do
Boy,
it.
coming deep, man.
I say it's just 6 in the morning, I'm going straight in. I don't really give a fuck about a friend. I don't fuck with that one of these bitch ass niggas. Ain't calling these niggas no twin. Hey, spin on your block and I spin it again. You hear what this got like this bitch got a zen. Catch him at that like let him out with his friend. These niggas be capping in line like bitch, let's go. Hey, I roll the glass with a got on my blade. Just fuck on your bitch and then you know so. If you spin on my block, you can smoke like a drone. Like 12, I'ma keep down your dough. Say like pads, I'ma get on your ass. Hey, play my top, nigga, you see the spring. Hey, make a nigga match when you block like 10. Hey, scratch that, hey, I'ma spin on your block like flash. Hey, turn on the beat and you know I'ma crash. I don't really give a fuck if it's jazz. I ain't round real drug dealers and killers can't even come around if you ain't got a pass. Hey, right here coming straight off the dome. If the bitch won't fuck, I'ma stay at home. Just pay me a black, I'ma get in my zone. she fiendin' for dick like a junkie. These niggas be broke, they flunky. Ayy, put 3 hoes in the head like a punky. Ayy, and this bitch acting a donkey. Ayy, bitch, I'm from the hound, you know a young nigga real crazy.
Where we at, man?
Yeah, Birmingham, Alabama with the motherfucking biggest.
The
biggest.
biggest.
I ain't never seen these bitches up a dub on my mama. Yeah,
Yes.
big motherfucking beard.
Hey, stop playing with her. Stop, the biggest. Stop playing with her. It's a lot better than y'all niggas, man. On God. Stop playing with Bama, man. Y'all stop playing with Bama, man. Bama is lit, bro. Bama is lit. As y'all can see, bro, Bama is popping their shit, bro. On God.
On this bitch and I punched it, guys.
about 12 right now. People are lit, man. Fuck that. Fuck 12. Bro, 12 came deep, boy. Well, they deep as fuck. See, one thing about 12, boy, you're not gonna get him.
What's that?
What they dropping niggas?
Hey.
They got that truck. Oh, that's Uncle G. No. Go, 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 go. Bro, Birmingham, Alabama is fucking lit, bro. I jumped out the car because 12 right there, so you know I had to do the dash. I'm not doing nothing wrong. We just playing GTA on the PlayStation. Good ass green screen, huh? So, yeah, 12 is behind me, and I'm walking. Oh, look at my rod right there. Oh, shit, my rod. Boy, this is crazy, boy. Birmingham lit. Y'all subscribe to the channel. We lit out here.
Okay.
Boy.
No,
Boy, they got Birmingham. 12 is out here, bro. I got my aunt jammed up, man. They not playing, boy. Goofy.
Man,
hey, man.
All the two, man.
Hey, man.
Fuck with us on prize picks, you feel me?
Bro, it is 1:45, bro. Y'all see that? Oh, damn, you can focus. It's 1:45, bro, a.m., bro. So that means that back home is 2:45, because, you know, it's an hour back. y'all subscribe to the channel, dog. We give out this dope content, bro. Like rated R content, behind the scene content. Birmingham, Alabama. I'm traveling for y'all. You know what I'm saying? Might go to Orlando. Might go to California. You never know where I might be at next. So you gotta subscribe to the channel, man. You gotta subscribe, man. Like this video. Shout out to all my Bama people, man. All my Bama people, y'all fam, man. Y'all welcome me. You know what I'm saying? Y'all show love. You know what I'm saying? You got the biggest. You got Freeman, Dion, Z. It's a ton of more names, bro. But just to name a few.
And
People
the prize
twins.
picks.
And the what?
And the prize picks.
Right. Shout out to prize pick too, man. You know what I'm saying? About to do it too, man. You feel me? If you know, you know. But yeah, man. Birmingham is fucking lit, bro. Like, I got a Birmingham hoodie, bro. Like, I got an Alabama hoodie. Would you ever see me in a fucking Alabama hoodie? No.
Nigga,
but
you say you was gonna throw that shit away.
Hey man, hey man. Look who pulled up, man. You got some art, you know what I'm saying? You know what that is. You know what I'm saying? Good art. This shit hard as fuck. Definitely going on the wall, man. For real, man. Go ahead and shout yourself out, man. Where can they find you at, bro? Cause this shit is the best thing on this planet. Shout yourself out. Tell them where they can find you at.
Go on Instagram, Ebony Genesis.
Where?
Ebony Genesis.
Okay. Say no more. This bit hard, bro. Like, look at the detail, bro. So you got me, you know what I'm saying? You know the shades, got the hat, you got the car. Bro, come on, bro. Stop playing, bro. Y'all shot with her, bro. She fine as fuck, as you can see, bro. Birmingham show love all night, man. And I'm definitely about to take this home and put this on the wall. Yes, sir. Greatly appreciated. Oh yeah, and then I had a 15-piece wing with the fries too. So Birmingham got good food. And they got creative people, you know what I'm saying, that make dope art. So that makes sure to tap in with Birmingham, man. Birmingham is lit overall. Thank y'all for watching. Subscribe to the video, like this video, and make sure I hit her up if y'all need some art. Out. Bro, I'm just now making it back, bro. Like, for real, bro. I'm tired in the mud, bro. Like, Leo understand, like, the past 26 hours, bro, I've been up. Drove to Alabama, drove back, and I forgot. I was in Alabama, like, we was out there, like, to about 3, 4 in the morning. So I'm thinking, like, I'm back in Atlanta, but in reality, I'm in Alabama, so I gotta drive another 3 hours back home. Then they're an hour behind. They're an hour behind, so that means I gotta drive it. Well, I'm gonna say an extra hour, but, you know, since the time zone changed, it'll be an hour up. So, yeah, I just made it back, man. Thank y'all, Alabama. Huge shout out to y'all, bro. Birmingham specifically. Shout out to everybody from Birmingham. It's a lot of y'all to name, but appreciate y'all for the food, the gifts, the love, everything, man. Y'all showed out, man. So if y'all see this, bro, make sure y'all drop a comment. Rep your city, man. Say something in the comments, man. I appreciate y'all for watching. I might take my ass to sleep. Subscribe to the video, like the video. Brando out.
Challenger, it be too low with that engine. New Mocha's 500, he dripping expensive. I know how I get it. Them trenches.